Hello, in this video, you will see how to apply bandwidth management policies in Firewall Rules. Before configuring bandwidth management, let's do a test by connecting to an FTP service, user SonicWall, and enter the password. And enable the H marks. Let's transfer this file and we can see on the firewall that we have a speed of 187 Mbits per second. Below that, I have the FTP service. Let's wait for the transfer to finish. But we can see that it remains at approximately 200 megabits per second. There it is, 27.47 seconds. And here we have the average in kilobytes per second at which the file was transferred. Now we can apply bandwidth management settings and at least we have the basis of the speed at which we could go. Bandwidth management is configured using policies and a specific object. First, let's create the objects. We have them in Object Profile Object and Bandwidth. And here we have to add objects. We have to give it a name, let's call it Slow. And we can guarantee bandwidth and set a maximum bandwidth. Both in kilobits per second or megabits per second. So let's start by setting 10,100 kbits per second, which will be quite slow. Here we have the priority of the traffic and what will happen if these 100 kbits per second are exceeded. The options are to delay and discard the traffic. In the Basic tab we have the option to enable bandwidth management by IP. And here we would also have to give it a maximum bandwidth in kilobits or megabits per second. I'm going to leave it without the IP mode and I'm going to create this object. Like all firewall objects, when we create an object it does not affect the functionality of the firewall until we are using it somewhere. That traffic that we have seen by FTP is traffic that goes from my LAN zone to my WAN zone. Therefore, I will have to create the firewall rule at this intersection or by selecting from all zones to all zones when creating the rule. The first thing we have to do, as always, is indicate the source and destination. We're going to keep it simple and we're not going to take into account either the source or destination IP addresses for the match. We're going to leave that in NN. If we're going to control the destination port, in this case it's FTP. And in traffic shaping we have the option to manage, activate or use bandwidth objects, both for input and output. We're going to select the slow object and enable. Logging of the applicability of these objects. We save the firewall rule and return to the FTP client. We're going to repeat the upload and we can see here that the difference is very big. In fact, this application of these objects in the firewall rule is in real time, so we can go to the objects, to this slow one that I may have exceeded a little. Let's give it 900 kilobytes per second and we'll see how it immediately starts to speed up a little. And as you can see, the application is always in real time. There we've given it a little more. And we have all this in Bandwidth Management Monitor. And here we see in real time the traffic that we're generating. We can open it in a new tab so that the graph is not erased, especially the one at the top. And in the other tab we can modify the object to check how it is being applied here in real time instead of looking at it on the client. We see that the graph is starting to grow if it hasn't already. There it is, we have doubled the throughput. The graph has been rescaled and is now at 2 megabits per second. If we double it again to 4 megabits, when the graph refreshes, well, here we have double what we had before, and you can see that the application is in real time. All bandwidth management objects can be used in any firewall policy, whether it is ONIN or any other junction. If I go from human resources to IT and we want to control a specific protocol, well, in all the firewall rules I have the option of using this or any other bandwidth management object that we have created in the firewall. And that's it for the video. As always, I hope you found it useful. You can write comments or questions in the YouTube box. Thanks.